Good morning. I am Malik. We warned you on Friday, do not hold a lottery ticket the day before the draw. Yesterday, Monday, Feb 9th, the draw happened, and for many retail traders, it was a blank ticket. Meezan Bank, MEBL, announced its results. The good, a solid cash dividend of 7 rupees per share. The bad, no bonus issue. The market had priced in a 10 to 20% bonus. When it didn't come, the smart money hit the eject button. The KSE-100 Index reacted violently, shedding roughly 1,800 points to close near 18,200. The vertical squeeze is over. The reality check is here. But today is Tuesday, and in a bull market, Tuesday is often the day we pick up the pieces. The question is the banking story dead or just resting? Let's look at the damage. Meezan Bank likely hit a steep correction. Oscary Bank followed suit. When the leader, Meezan, sneezes, the whole sector catches a cold. My analysis: the fundamental story for banks is still intact. High rates equals high income, but the sentiment is broken for this week. Traders who bought at 18.8K are now trapped. They will sell into any bounce today. Strategy: avoid banks today. Let the trapped bulls exit. If Meezan drops another 5 rupees, it becomes a value buy, but not yet. So where does the money go now? It leaves banks and goes to the sector that hasn't announced yet: energy. I am looking at the board meeting calendar for later this week. Thursday, Friday, Feb 12-13, OGDC and PPL. Catalyst: the market will now start speculating on their payouts. The setup: yesterday, energy stocks were dragged down by the index panic. This is your opportunity. While everyone is crying about Meezan, you should be accumulating OGDC at 320 to 325. The rumor mill will now shift to oil and gas. Ride that way for the next 72 hours. What else is on the radar for today, Tuesday, Feb 10? 1. Bank Al Habib, BAHL. Meeting is tomorrow, Wednesday, Feb 11. Usually, BAHL is a quiet performer, but after the Meezan shock, the market will be nervous. If BAHL stays green today while other banks are red, it's a sign of insider confidence. Watch it. 2. Cement sector, LUCK, DGKK. With the index down, high beta cements often take a hit. However, Lucky Cement at these levels is starting to look attractive again. If the index finds support at 18,000, cements will lead the bounce. Here is your battle plan for Tuesday, Feb 10. 1. The 9:30 a.m. rule. Expect a gap down or early selling pressure as margin calls from yesterday get cleared. Do not sell at 9:30 a.m. You are selling the bottom. Wait for 11 a.m. 2. The buy zone. If OGDC touches 320, start buying. We are rotating from failed catalyst, banks, to upcoming catalyst, energy. 3. The support. 18,000 is the line. If we break this, we go to 18,000, but I expect a bounce. The underlying liquidity is still there. I'm Malik. Stay calm, rotate wisely. Disclaimer: StockSense is an educational platform. I am an analyst, not a financial advisor. The strategies discussed here are based on data and market speculation. The stock market is a high-risk environment. Do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. Do your own research.